Hey everybody, it's Rob and we're back with another episode of Cocktails and Cribs.
And today we've got a special episode for you. This is Mocktails and Cribs.
Whiskey!
Oh my! Well, hello there.
We got my little ones with us here today. This is Olivia and this is Quinn. And they're going to help us make a couple special mocktails that the kids can enjoy.
Oh, I'm excited for this. Can I ask you guys a question?
Uh-huh.
Have you ever had a Shirley Temple?
No.
No? Would you
Ever?
No.
How would you like it if I made you 2 different Shirley Temples today and you told me which one was the best?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, we're excited. I hope you're excited. So, the first thing we need is some grenadine. It's a syrup that's made from pomegranates.
I thought you were going to say pomegranate.
You thought I was going to say pomegranate?
Now you stand up. Now we can see you.
Hey!
How's that? Good.
Olivia, we're going to add half an ounce of our grenadine. So I'm going to pour it in here. And do you want to dump it in the glass?
Okay.
Very good.
That is good technique right there. Very good technique. We're going to add a 1/4 ounce of lime juice. All our juices are freshly squeezed. All right, into the glass. Great job.
Good.
And now we're going to add the main
Ginger
ingredient,
ale.
which is ginger ale. Do you like ginger ale?
Kind of.
Kind of. This is the classic Shirley Temple. In a second, we're going to make the Shirley Temples the way I like them. And we'll see which one you like best.
Alex twist.
Yeah. So we want about 5 ounces of ginger ale. Yeah, I know, hey? We'll let you try it.
I love you, Daddy.
Oh, I love you too. Are you having so much fun?
Right in the video.
You give it a try and see what you think.
Oh, okay. All right.
Ollie, your turn. Tell us what you think.
Pretty fizzy.
Pretty fizzy?
It has the fizz of the ginger ale, but then it has the taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of taste? Do you like that pomegranate syrup?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It kind of tastes like blueberry.
Oh, a little bit, yeah.
Very good.
Should we try building my version of the Shirley Temple?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Alex special edition.
You betcha. In my version, we're going to use Sprite instead of ginger ale because it has a lemon-lime feel to it. And we're also going to add some orange juice.
Ooh, yummy.
Yeah, I thought you might like that. For my version, we're going to start with some lemon-lime Sprite. We're going to add about 5 ounces of this.
Orange juice.
Orange juice. We're going to do half an ounce of orange juice. Doing a full 1 ounce of this. And when you dump it into the drink, it's going to look really cool. Whoa, look at that. We're going to top it up with a little bit more Sprite. And then for this one, we're going to garnish with an orange peel and cocktail cherries. Look at that.
Whoa. It's all red.
You want to try it? Okay, give her a go. Okay.
Tell us all your words.
I love orange. It has a little bit of fizz.
Can you still taste the berry?
There's a medium amount of berry.
Okay.
Medium amount of berry. Okay.
How about you, Quinn? What do you think?
Exquisite.
Very good.
Hands up if you like this one the best. Oh. Hands up if you like this one the best.
Me too.
Yay, me too.
Alex made a great one.
What should we say to the people now?
What do you think is your favorite?
Put all the ingredients in the drink.
Okay, good.
I like it. I like it. Hey, thanks for joining us on this episode of Mocktails and Cribs
With kids.
with kids. Make one of each of these for yourself. Give them a try. Put in the comments which one you like the best. We'll see you next time. And don't forget to check out the house tour by Olivia.
David at the Lighthouse Show.
Very good.